Hello, I'm Sudha. Today we'll answer a big question. With AI and new tools everywhere, is learning programming like .NET, Python or Java, is it still worth learning in 2025? Let's uncover the truth. By end of 2025, over 80% of development teams integrate AI tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT into their workflows. Now, many teams integrated AI tools into their projects. So, now AI writes nearly 41% of the code in many projects. But METR study revealed something surprising. Developers using AI often took 19% longer time to complete their tasks. Why it is happening? AI is powerful, no doubt in that. But many teams integrated AI tools in recent days. If you are planning to use AI, you should understand the complexity behind AI, correct? Then only you can do wonders with that AI. So, humans and AI together are going to do wonders in programming in future. However, they still require careful human oversight to provide context, validate accuracy, and ensure that the outputs meet quality standards. What it means? AI can't do everything, correct? So there should be some developer who can provide the context, who can validate the accuracy, whether the code generated by AI tool is accurate for the requirement or not, and he should validate the quality standards also. Coding basics are important always. Learn programming fundamentals first, then use AI to generate remaining 60 to 70% of coding. So, programmers are shifting from solely writing code to guiding, validating, and optimizing AI generated outputs. In this new role, critical thinking and problem solving skills become more important to address AI's limitations and ensuring effective and high quality solutions. While AI can speed up development, the code AI produces may sometimes be inefficient, incomplete, or even sloppy. So, for a developer, strong debugging and code review skills are essential to ensure reliable and secure software. Humans should understand how to work with AI, how to combine his creativity, judgment, and problem solving skills with AI speed and automation. Then only we can see the best results. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is a modern approach in software development where developers use natural language prompts to instruct AI models to generate code. How it works? Describe your idea to AI tool. So that means you explain your project or task in natural language. AI generates the code. How it generates the code? AI interprets your description, natural language description, and produces the corresponding code. If the code generated by the AI tool meets your requirement, it's fine. Otherwise, you provide the feedback to the AI to refine the code until you got your code. 25% of Y Combinator startups already using AI to write most of their code, speeding up development by up to 55%. That's faster products, faster innovation, and a whole new way of building software. Obviously, this lowers barriers for newcomers, but still requires programming knowledge to manage AI effectively. By 2040, AI is expected to automate many coding tasks, but human developers will remain essential for creativity, complex problem solving, and ethical oversight. As companies invest heavily in AI, obviously they expect employees to adapt quickly and leverage these tools to drive greater productivity and foster innovation. Professionals who adopt AI augmented programming skills early will gain a strong competitive edge in the rapidly evolving market. Although AI is often seen as delivering instant speed, developers may overestimate its benefits. As real world studies reveal, initial slowdowns caused by the learning curve and the need for careful review. AI does not replace humans. It is a tool that requires human expertise to guide its use, prevent errors, and avoid accumulating technical debt. AI code is not always perfect. Remember this. Due to trust and safety concerns, it still requires rigorous human validation. Finally, I just wanted to say one thing. Think of the AI revolution in software like modern farming. In olden days, how farming used to be. Farmers used to cut their paddy, clearing the grass and carrying heavy loads, everything by their hands or bullock carts. Correct? Now, if you see tractors, harvesters, and grass cutting machines came, making the work faster and easier. The farmers didn't disappear, correct? They just learned to work with machines instead of doing everything manually. In the same way, AI is helping software developers to focus on creative problem solving while handling the repetitive work. So, the future of software development lies in collaboration, not replacement.